What's up everybody, welcome to the weekend, and this video is the part 2 of B-Room Brew's basement makeover. Welcome to the guest room. Work, so I don't have a spare plant pot, so I'm gonna put the jute over here again so it looks like there's a pot on this one. So okay. and I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and I'm very excited to show them tomorrow their guest bedroom. See you guys later and stay tuned. Peace.
Oh my god! Okay, this is my new bedroom now. Oh my!
We had no idea what to do with this room. Yeah, we had
Sis! Oh my gosh!
shape
Thank
of the
you
room
so much.
Wow, good job. This really feels like a room.
Okay, this is now my vacation spot. Oh my gosh!
Whoa.
This looks ridiculous.
Yeah, wow.
Who would have thought that it could look like this?
Why not?
I just did not know what to do with this room. You have like mad skills and talents and all of that.
Also, that's what these baskets were for.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not.
Oh, you got
I
an actual basket? You can use it in like table set, but
Mom would be
Yes.
like cozy over here.
She's gonna
Cause
like
it,
this.
oh my god, I'm so excited.
Wow, look at that.
Oh my god. Okay, this will be my new spot now. This is it. This is it.
yeah, because the spiral.
I mean, I knew you were good, but this blew my mind.
Yeah, your skills are on a
This
different level.
this is like magic. I am so. This doesn't feel like our home.
Well,
This looks like a hotel. Yes, thank you so much. This looks like a hotel.
Yeah, totally different
Cool.
feel.
This is the nicest guest room I've ever seen.
Oh, this is not a guest room anymore. We're gonna be here.
White
Vacation
gonna
even
sleep
a
here
weekend.
instead.
Oh,
Is it pass?
Pass.
Super pass.
I'm just amazed of the transformation right
Yes, amazing.
Because-
Wow.
How is it?
It's great.
Thank you.
now. Because the reason why I love going to hotels is to have this kind of
Ambiance.
experience. Yeah, like having a
Nice
just
flow.
not, yeah. That's
Well-
the reason why I love hotels.
I can feel like I'm not always at home. all the time.
And now it's in our guest room.
Wow, Tori's gonna flip out.
please visit lezimadesigns.com for more video tutorials and home designs inspiration. See you guys again next time, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more makeover transformation.